I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use school Wi-Fi without restrictions. First, consider using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it unreadable to the school's network administrators. This effectively bypasses content filters and allows you to access blocked websites and services. Look for a reputable VPN provider that offers strong encryption and a strict no-logs policy for maximum privacy and security. Next, let's talk about proxy servers and smart DNS. Proxy servers can route your internet traffic through a different server, effectively bypassing some restrictions. While web proxies are simple for quick access, they offer less security than a VPN. Smart DNS services, on the other hand, are excellent for unblocking streaming content by changing your device's DNS server, often without significant speed loss. Another option is the Tor browser, which routes your internet traffic through a global network of relays, providing enhanced anonymity and bypassing many restrictions. However, Tor can be slower. Alternatively, consider using a mobile hotspot from your smartphone. This provides a completely separate internet connection, entirely bypassing the school's network. Just be aware of your data limits and any potential costs associated with using your mobile data. When attempting to bypass school Wi-Fi restrictions, always prioritize your online security and privacy. Remember to be aware of your school's acceptable use policy regarding network access. While these methods can be effective, using them might violate school rules and could potentially lead to disciplinary action. Proceed with caution and understand the potential consequences of your actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.